Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining prerequisites with action. Plug the Apple TV into power, connect HDMI to the TV input, and switch the TV to that source. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi name and password plus your Apple ID credentials. These let you complete setup and restore purchases. If your TV supports HDMI ARC or eARC, note that port for sound. Once connected, the Apple TV will boot to the setup screen. Keep the Siri remote nearby to pair and control the interface. Once the Apple TV displays the pairing prompt, press the indicated remote buttons to pair. This ensures reliable input. Next, select your Wi-Fi network or plug in Ethernet for a wired link. Entering the password connects the device and enables app downloads and streaming. Sign in with your Apple ID to restore purchases and activate iCloud syncing. Enable location for recommendations and Siri for voice control. Make sure you accept terms and set up Touch ID or passcode on related devices if prompted for security. To finish, go to Settings Video and Audio to confirm resolution, HDR, and frame rate settings so picture looks correct on your display. This prevents judder or black bars. Test audio by playing a sample. If sound is missing, toggle HDMI ARC, check receiver input, or change audio output to the TV. If something fails, restart the Apple TV, reseat the HDMI cable, and confirm TV input. If problems persist, update TV OS, which often resolves compatibility bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.